Hi, welcome to Nick's Hobby Bench. My name is Nick, and in this video today we're going to be painting the Skeleton Champion. Yeah, let's get into it. Because I don't have a primer or anything like that, the first color to go on will be a Batten Black. And that's just going on the entire model, but it's mainly supposed to go onto the shield here. Alright. Okay, so that's the first coat done. I'll let it dry and then I'll stick the second coat on. So the next thing to go on is the Xandri dust, and that's just going on all the bone areas. The next thing to go on is lead belcher, and that's just going on all the metal areas. Next thing to go on is the Mephiston red, and that's just going on the little drape part here. I believe on that one too. And on all these ones on here. The next thing to go on is the Balthasar Gold, and that's just going on around the edge of his shield. And on the sword here, and just around the edge of his helmet. Yeah. The next thing to go on is the Rayclan Flesh Shade, and that's just going on all the silver areas. Let that dry now. Alright, so the next thing to go on is the Seraphim Sepia. I can't even say that. That's just going on all the bone areas. I'm not even first to say this, but this guy does not look the best. It just looks weird. Now a Carabao Crimson goes on all the red areas. Yeah, I'll let it dry and then yeah. I really don't like the look of this guy. I thought he looked cool, but... So yeah, I thought I was filming doing the base of it, but I ended up not actually pressing record when I started doing it. I thought I did, but I must have pressed stop and it didn't record any of the base, which is my bad. But yeah, I hope you all enjoyed the video, and if you did, please subscribe, hit the like button, and leave a comment, and yeah, I'll see you all in the next one. Bye!